Hey guys, today we have your favorite characters from the Looney Tunes show. Alright, let's open them up. We have Bugs Bunny, and Speedy Gonzales. Next we have Sylvester, and Tweety Bird. We have Daffy Duck, and Marvin the Martian. We have Wily Coyote, and the Roadrunner. Speedy Gonzales is a Speedy Mouse character, and he was in both Looney Tunes and Merrie Melodies. He's nicknamed the fastest mouse in all of Mexico. His major characteristics are the ability to run extremely fast and speak with an exaggerated Mexican accent. He usually wears his oversized yellow sombrero, white shirt and trousers, and a red handkerchief. This is Marvin the Martian, who is Bugs Bunny's nemesis. Marvin hails from the planet Mars, but is often found elsewhere. He is often accompanied by his dog Canine and sometimes by other creatures. He wears a Roman soldier's uniform with old-fashioned basketball shoes. Although he's an evil villain, he's quite a funny cartoon character. Now we have Sylvester the Cat, a black and white cat who appears in several Looney Tunes cartoons, and we always see him chasing Speedy Gonzales and Tweety Bird. He lives with his owner Granny, but early on he used to be with Porky Pig. He shows lots of pride, but he never gives up. He always seems to be on the losing side when he's fighting these guys. Tweety Bird, or known as Tweety Pie, seems to be an innocent little bird, and although he seems naive, he's clever and he's constantly outsmarting Sylvester the Cat. He's a yellow canary and has a somewhat large head. He loves to fly in and out of his cage, but he's always on the lookout for that putty tat. Next is Wile E. Coyote. He's always hungry and he's always after the Roadrunner. These two guys are always at each other. Wile E. Coyote chased him to eat him, and the Roadrunner always getting away. Wile E. Coyote always seems to get elaborate devices from the Acme Company, always trying to catch his dinner, but it always fails, and the Roadrunner always gets away. Here's some things to remember about Wile E. Coyote and the Roadrunner. The Roadrunner cannot harm the Coyote except by going beep beep. And the Coyote could stop any time, but he's a fanatic and he's hungry for a Roadrunner. They never speak except for beeping and screaming in pain. And the Roadrunner must always stay in the road, only because he's a Roadrunner. And of all the greatest enemies that Wile E. Coyote have, it's usually gravity. Falling off of his contraptions, falling off cliffs, and he never quite gets that Roadrunner. This is Daffy Duck. He has a slobbery, exaggerated lisp when he talks and he spits. He's always trying to outsmart Elmer Fudd and can never get one over Bugs Bunny. And last we have Bugs Bunny. Everyone knows Bugs Bunny. And he's a relaxed, chill bunny. He's a trickster, and his favorite saying is, what's up, Doc? He's always able to outsmart everybody. Daffy Duck, Elmer Fudd, Yosemite Sam, and even the Tasmanian Devil. Bugs Bunny is my favorite Looney Tunes character. Well, thanks guys for joining us on our Looney Tunes show adventure. We've met all the great characters, learned a little bit about each one of them, and had some fun. Thanks for watching. We look forward to more great toy testing real soon. Talk to you later. Don't forget to subscribe.